in which integrity can thrive.
Gavana ma kaunti ma Trans Nzoia Gavana Natembeya oseo sirkal mamalo kuom deko kod omenda ma owinjo chwal ne tend kaontis. Gino moko ne osemiyo tich ochung' kendo kata chulo osara bedo matek. Natembeya mane loso e kinde sidho board manyien mandiko jotije kaunti no ma Trans Nzoia okoni ochopo kinde manyaka koro governors riwre mar thiro kata mar dhiro piny owacho mamalo mondo mi ochwal omenda ma kauntis e kinde mowinjore. Oywak ne ochumi mar kauntis lwar piny kendo gope bende koro hewogi kagi koni medo ling mar sirikand Ruto dhi mana rocho weche e kauntis.
As a matter of urgency, tunataka wajaribu kuongeza staff wale wa afya. Na vile nimesema tunataka kufocus kwa county yetu. Devolution is about kuleta resources kwa county. Yeah, sio kuleta hapa Trans Nzoia na siende mahali pengine. Na hapa Trans Nzoia when it comes to ethnic balance, actually tulipewa award na National Cohesion and Integration Commission kwa kuwa tuna balance in terms of regional balance in our establishment. Kwa hivyo watu wote katika Jamhuri ya Kenya wako represented katika county ya Trans Nzoia na tunataka wote wapewe nafasi katika uajiri.
I would like to assure His Excellency the Governor that we have only come here with one mandate, and that is service delivery to the county. And we are praying to God that we are going to be united and we are going to cooperate with the executive, who is His Excellency the Governor, who is the appointing authority. And as a board, I want to confirm that we have not come here with any other agenda but service delivery to the county. Thank you so much.